to the pond in case something goes wrong. I have it hooked up here, and it runs along the side here, obviously. But if this outlet goes out, this cord is long enough to take it out of this whole loop and run it straight into the outlet behind the fridge, if need be. So if this water isn't flowing like it should, first place that I look is going to be in the front here. I have a net to catch the leaves. Usually I'll shake that net out. And then the other place that I look is in here, where hopefully we can see it. There's a kind of a filter, and that'll get clogged up with leaves, so you dig in there and kind of move the leaves out. If that's not working, the other place that I'm going to look is in here, and since it's just hooked up like this, I would just unplug this. It disconnects the air pump. That's the air pump right there. And that's the motor to the fountain and everything. So I would first disconnect that. Then I would shut these down to the right. That one to the right. Then this here opens up by just tapping this here. There's a filter that you pull out. I usually just shake the filter out over here, all the gunk that's in there, seal it back up, open these up, and then come back and open this. Usually that fixes it. If it's still not running, then we have the biofilter back here. And the biofilter, you don't want to shake any of this stuff around because it'll just throw a bunch of junk in there. But you want to check for like leaves that might be clogging it in here, etc. Usually this does a good job of keeping them out. Another thing to look out for is if maybe the kids came up here and played and knocked over one of these rocks off to the side, and on the waterfall it's straying off and draining the water onto the side, and then the actual pond itself will get low. So that's one thing to look out for. Normally I have this deal here which pumps in fresh water when the sprinklers come on. If it doesn't work, you can just grab water from the hose and throw it in there if it's not too low. But other than that, I think it should. Whoops, almost wrong my phone. It should work. I would feed the fish a little bit of food every other day, and that's it.